Hello everybody, this is GGS Nageswarao, lecturer diet Bhivanapatnam. Welcome to my class. In today's class, I am going to talk about how to learn English in mathematics class. So let's take a word problem in mathematics and see how can we learn English. So today's agenda, the use of the concept of LCM in addition and subtraction of fractions, using multiples to calculate LCM, acquiring English in maths class. So this is the word problem that I have taken. A family spends 3/4 of their income on household expenditure, 1/6 part on children's education. The remaining amount is saved. Find the part of the savings. So when a word problem is given, normally we note down the details that are there in the problem. So here I have noted down what is given and what is to be find out. What is given here? The part of the income spent on household expenditure is 3/4 of the income. The part of the income spent on children's education is 1/6. What is to be find out? The part of the income saved. So this is the process that we follow. First we note down the part of the income spent on household expenditure is equal to 3/4. The part of the income spent on children's education is equal to 1/6. The part of the income spent on household expenditure and on children's education is equal to 3/4 plus 1/6. So here we are adding the two parts to get the total part of the expenditure. So the total part of the expenditure is equal to 11/12. So we get the savings part if we subtract the expenditure part from the income part. So here if you consider the income as 1, then we need to subtract 11/12 from 1. Then we get 1/12. So the family saves 1/12 of their income. Let us see the calculation part also, because in the calculation we have used the concept of LCM. Let us see how we have used LCM here. So when you add 1/6 to 3/4, how do we add fractions? We add fractions by taking the LCM of the denominators first. So what are the denominators here? 4 and 6. So here I have chosen the process of calculating LCM with the help of multiples, because the numbers are very small numbers. We can use this. The multiples of 4 are, as we all know, 4, 8, 12, 16. You can get it in the fourth table. Similarly, the multiples of 6, 12, 18, etc. So we will get them in sixth table. So what are the common multiples of 4 and 6? 12, 24, 36, etc. So what is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6? 12. Hence 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. So here why do we calculate LCM? We calculate LCM of the denominators to make the fractions like fractions, because only like fractions can be added or subtracted. So here we need to convert these two fractions into like fractions with the denominator of 12. Hence 3/4 becomes 9/12, 1/6 becomes 2/12. So in the place of 3/4 we write 9/12. In the place of 1/6 we write 2/12. So if we add 3/4 plus 1/6, we get 11/12. Coming to the subtraction part, 1 minus 11/12. So here the denominator in the fraction 11/12 is 12. So we have to write 1 with the denominator 12. So if there is denominator 12, automatically the numerator should also be 12. Hence we write 1 as 12/12. 12/12 minus 11/12, which is equal to 1/12. So this is the final answer. Hence, the family saves 1/12 of their income. So, if we observe the English part, see how we have written here the part of the income spent on household expenditure. Normally, we use indirect speech to write the statements in mathematics. Right. Similarly, the family saves 1/12 of their income. Here it is simple present is used because this is the common for all months, hence it is a regular item. We have used simple present here. So in this way we can also learn English in mathematics class. So every class is a class for learning English. We will meet in another class with another problem for learning English easily. Thank you one and all.